Hello everyone, Chef Eric here and welcome back to my channel for yet another video. And today we're going to be making the most amazing hot dog, and they're perfect for like a Sunday brunch or any other day of the week. And you can serve them with 3 different toppings, which I'll share recipes for today. And those are just happen to be the classic, just tomato sauce and mustard, and a mango salsa, and also a caramelized onion hot dog. So let's get started. So first I said by making my very own homemade buns. I'll have the recipe linked in the description box down below. It's a recipe by Joshua Weissman and it gives you the best result for buns. It's also the same one I use for my chicken sandwich recipe, which should be up sooner or later. So for my mango salsa, I started by combining some drained onions. I just drained my onions in some salt and some lemon juice and some water just to reduce some of that curliness and bitterness that the onions generally have, and combine that with some raw mango and some tomato cubes. You could use fresh or like ripened mango. It would give it a nice sweet element. That would be nice, but for this I decided to go with raw mango for that bit of acidity and sort of balance. So I added some lemon juice and some Dania to that and give it a really good mix and set it aside in the fridge. In the meantime, I started by caramelizing my onion. So here I have 1 large onion, and trust me, this is very kidogo onion. I only ended up topping 1 hot dog with these onions. So if like people are a fan of caramelized, at first I didn't think they would be, but these are really good. They're nice, they're sweet, they're tangy. Like they provide a great hot dog. So you generally need to use like 3 onions, red onions that are sliced really thinly. And just want to make sure they're nice and golden brown. Keep stirring so they don't get burnt. Then you can boil our frankfurts. So I just took some long sausages and boiled them in some hot water. And you can start to assemble because we have all of our components ready. Our caramelized onions, our mango salsa, and our sauces, which here we have tomato sauce, chili sauce, and mustard. So for the first one, we're gonna start by making the simple classic hot dog, like one where you'd expect to find anywhere and hits the spot any day of the week. So just wanna take your hot dog bun and then slice it through the side. I've seen a lot of people debating whether you should slice it at the top or the side, but personally, I've always been the person slicing the side, and the result is phenomenal. So just wanna slide in your hot dog and then gently decorate the top with some tomato sauce, some mustard, and some chili sauce. You don't need to do it like as intricately or as decoratively as I am doing it here, but if you wanna make them look pretty, make them look pretty. No one's going to stop you. So I just added all of my sauces over the top and some dollops of chili sauce for those who like, and you can move on to the next one. So the next one we're gonna do is our mango salsa hot dog, and it's the simplest and the easiest one to make. You just want to take your hot dog bun, again slice it through the side or the top, whichever you choose, whichever is your favorite, and then you want to place it down and then add our hot dog bun, a hot dog sausage through the center of it. Make sure they're fully cooked. You don't use any raw, but for those who like to grill their hot dog sausages, that would be a great addition, especially for the caramelized onion one. If you may think of that, please by all means go ahead and do that. Just add some oil to a pan and then grill them on all around just until you have nice grill marks and they look really amazing. Just start with the base of some tomato sauce, which is optional but highly recommended, and then you can pop over our delicious mango salsa. I mean, this stuff is amazing. You could eat it by the spoonful, trust me when I say so. And if you'd like to add some chili sauce over the top of that, that would be amazing. It would contrast nicely with the sort of acidic and sour mangoes. And for the next one, we're going to do our caramelized onion hot dog, and this is like a really great onion flavor, as I talked about earlier. It's super simple, so same procedure. Slice it down the middle, shove a hot dog into the middle, and then you can top it off with some caramelized onions. And basically that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you try this recipe out. It's super simple. My family really enjoyed this, and make sure you tag me over on Instagram. I'd love to see your beautiful creations.